Hi, I'm Stephanie French from RIB Shop Ltd and we're here today in our office at MDL's Hamble Point Marina to discuss all things retubes. You may want a retube because you've suffered some damage or your tubes have failed due to age, or you just might want a change. We can help no matter what the situation. From first port of call, you can either come in and see us or send us an email or give us a call. We'll discuss your requirements with you. You may have very specific requirements, or you may have no idea what you want, and we can help with the design aspect of that for you as well. You might want to keep the same colour, or you might want to change. You can come in and talk to us and we'll run through all the options, of which there are many. And then we will sit down and design the tube with you. Once we've had a look at what you want, we'll design a quote for you, go through it, make sure you're happy, and then we'll get you booked in for the build to start. You can arrive by water to the pontoons here and we'll lift out for you, or you can come by car on your own trailer. If neither of those are an option, we can arrange transport as well. So once the boat arrives with us ready for its retube, we take the old tubes off, we carefully cut them apart, and we use them as templates to make the new tubes. This ensures the perfect fit. We only use Orca Hypalon fabric, it's the best in the business, and we only use leaf-filled D7 inflation valves and their OPVs as standard. Once the build team are ready to go, they cut the new fabric using the templates, and then they start the process of putting the panels together. They'll build the baffles and they'll put them in, and the whole process takes roughly a week before they're ready to close up. And at this point, the tubes go on pressure test. We use Leaf-Field's smart caps, and they give a constant reading of the pressure inside the chamber and the external temperature, so we can see if there are any pressure drops and whether or not that's due to environmental factors or if there is a problem within the tube. So before we can fit the new tubes, we need to make sure that the hull is perfectly smooth, and we do this by grinding and sanding the flange. Once this is done, we fit attachment straps to the hull, ready to take the new tube. The new tube is placed in position and made sure that it fits perfectly. Once we're happy with the position of the tube, we mark them, take them off, tape them up, sand them and prime them. The primer layer is left to dry, and then a few hours later we start preparing for fit. The fit needs to be done quite quickly, so we put the glue onto the hull and to the tubes, and within 5 minutes we need to be ready in position to stick, and this takes the entire team. They start from the bow and they fit backwards, one side at a time. Once we're happy with the fit, the tubes are deflated and they are rubbed to make sure the bond is good. These are then left deflated overnight to cure. The next morning we inflate the tubes and we start marking out where the rub strake's going to go and where the handles and wear patches and any other items on the boat are going to be positioned, such as lifeline blocks and logos. At this point, we are more than happy to have a video call with our client, or our client can come in and check they are happy with the layout that we have chosen for them, or that it matches what we've discussed previously. Once everything is agreed with the client and everyone is happy, we will then fully mark out and we will sand and prime, ready for them to be fitted. Once fitted, cleanup begins, and this is probably the trickiest part for the fit team because I will not allow a single speck of glue to be left. Once it's fully cleaned, we inspect, and then we make sure that the boat is cleaned off, ready for handover to the client. If you need any more information, you can check out our website or give us a call or even pop in to see us.